Hello, today I'm gonna show you my top 10 Doctor Who sound.
Na 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 na.
Number 10 is the Dalek extermination. It's a sound effect from the Five Doctors.
Exterminate! 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 Exterminate!
Number 9 is the first takeoff in 1963. Number 8 is the 2010 with the new TARDIS, the door sound effect. Number 7 is the Dimensions into Time and Space theme.
Mayday!
Number 6. Number 5 is I am the Doctor. Number 4 is the 8th Doctor's sonic sound effect. Number 3 is number 2 is the Delaware theme. Number 1 is the TARDIS sound from Horns of Night.
That's very odd. Wouldn't you say?
That's my